Open the fuck up, fat bitch! Yo, I got a teenager that will whoop her ass right now. Let's go!
She's literally banging on our windows.
Babe, she's retarded. She's gonna wake up.
Fucking breaks it.
Yeah, she's banging on all of our windows.
She's banging on all of our fucking windows right now.
Don't. Now when she's acting like that.
Nobody's scared. She's being rude, bro. Let's go. Yo, I'm actually gonna call the cops and tell them she won't let me in my driveway.
Why the fuck are you banging on my door?
Yo, I'm gonna call the police. Yo, move the fuck out of my way.
Why are you calling the police? You technically don't have a parking spot.
Why aren't you moving?
Because you're using your parking spot.
Bitch, get the fuck out of my way. I'm calling the police right now. They're gonna look at you stupid. Cause this is 2 spaces, you fat ugly. Come on.
This space is for the old people. Just because they don't use it doesn't mean it's
Nah, you're lying. You're lying. I'm calling the cops now. Right now.
I have it on camera
Right
that
now.
you just threatened to hurt me and my fiance.
You're a liar.
I have it on
You're
camera.
a liar. You're a liar. Let's go. What you gonna do about it? Let's go to court. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
You're so bad.
Nobody's scared. You're being disrespectful. I'm trying to pull up. Hi. My neighbor will not allow me in my parking space. I'm at 10 Drummond Street, Auburn, Maine. Yo, I got a 13-year-old that will fight you right now. Shut up.
Yeah, you just
and
me
she
again.
won't do nothing. She won't do. You. What are you doing? Go. What are you doing?
I'm standing in my house, and you are threatening me.
Nobody's threatening you. Why aren't you
just
moving? For real. This woman will not let me in my parking space.
She's banging on all my windows and threatening to fucking hurt us.
Yeah, you're lying.
You just did
I said wake the fuck up. I didn't say nothing else.
I have it on video.
Okay,
So
prove it.
Call the cops.
Hey everyone. Why did we get in a fight with the neighbors today?
Because they were being rude to us.
No, why did we first start the fight? Because they threw trash all over our trampoline. Because they are lesbians that work the night shift that only have dogs. They put trash on my children's trampoline. So I flipped out on them. And then they parked in my space, so I could not park in my parking lot. So I'm in the road the whole time. I knocked, I called, I knocked. She never fucking answered. Fuck her if she wants to play games. I'm a great mother. I did it for the kids. She did it for her fat girlfriend that can't see her pussy, bitch. Look at this weirdo recording me. I was like, what's up? Move the vehicle. Corny ass. Look, you guys, let's be real. Let's be honest. Let's be real. Look at this. Can you move your car? Can you move your car? Are you gonna move your car?
doing?
I'm about to serve her now.
Okay. Okay. The judge hand wrote in there that she's not supposed to be on her side of the entrance. However, he wrote it because there's no way to
Just hang out up there for me. Just hang out up there.
Because there's no way to avoid contact. They told her to call in an hour for the PFA, so they were parked there till she left, and then she pulled in.
Does it say anything about the driveway? Like, did the judge say anything about that? Or?
So we did when we made the request, because the only way they can park is single file, so they cannot avoid contact. It forces them to have contact for her to park there. So we also gave a picture with the diagram of Sierra's only entrance being on the driveway side, and Bettina's entrance being up here, and requested that until we get things settled out, that she not be allowed to park near Sierra's car, because we had pictures of her kids touching her car, dragging stuff across her car. Like, there's all kinds of stuff that we haven't reported that's been recorded on video. So that was presented to the court. So basically it was to say, like, she can stay on her own side of the building, and there's no reason that she can't. It's not snowing out. There's just no reason for her to be that close to her door or her property while things are hot. Thank you. I want to see what he tells her. She's shaking.
Okay. It's okay. Yep. Yep. I won't. I don't talk to her. It's cool. Yeah, I'm letting you know. Everything is explained to the PFA, what was written to the judge there. Alright? And then there's going to be hearing. It's going to be on June 2nd, 2021. Yep. If you don't show up, it's going to become a permanent order. That's your time to go in front of the judge and explain. I will. I'm truthful, honest, good woman. I'm not worried about it. This has happened to me before. So how do we share the parking lot? So at this time, that car is just gonna have to park on the street for the time being until this is all squared away. Really? I can park right behind her too, right? Nope. You can't be within that. Any of that, you can't be around that car. So you gotta be parked on the street. You can't be on the driveway or near that side door. All right? It's not my rules. The judge ordered. Victoria Callahan, my landlord is on here right now. Do you see this? Do you see what I'm going through? Nah, this is crazy. Yeah. Yeah. How could I violate it if I don't talk to her? It's something I have to explain to you. That's why. What I don't understand is why they're allowed to sit outside of my house every time I walk out and record me. As long as it's in the public, they can sit here. As long as it's not, like I said. And as long as something happens to them and it has nothing to do with me, it's okay, right, officer? No. Yeah, that is okay. Thank you. This is crazy that you protect losers like this. Losers. Yeah. Drug dealers, I'm gonna get you. I'm getting them. I'm ratting them out. Thank you. Victoria, can you believe this? Can you believe this? Come on. The police, my landlord said call them.
Okay.
They're getting kicked out.
Can you move your car?
Yep. Oh yeah, that was live. They're getting kicked out. I don't got to do it. Oh, but that's my thing, and I get the tool for it tomorrow, so I have to take it apart tomorrow. Landlord's order.
Do you have questions for me?
I don't think so.
Yo, guess what? This bitch is gonna lie to the cops, of course. Call the cops. Yo, everybody's calling me a rat just for asking her to move her car. Asking the police to tell her to move her car because I can't beat her head in, right? So, how the fuck are you guys gonna poke at me, throw trash on my shit, not let me in my yard, and then say, I'm harassing you? Yo, and then you want me to unblock and let you message me every time you need to move? Nah, you better knock on the motherfucking door. I ain't even unblocking a fake ass, hating ass, sneaky ass, slimy ass bitch.